Ake sithathe leli thuba sibingelele lesi ubaba udokotela baba sizodwa nomfana uMdlenja Kahle Mzulu amanqinisa ngisolo futhi ngixolise. Today I'm making a video in the building called Nedbank House building. We were at 19th floor 1904. Now we have moved the studio down to 902 to 901 la ubaba udokotela uzomthola khona ke manje ke sizinike umgaqo ke osusebenzisayo. It is corner of Queen Street and Albert Street. Corner of Queen Street and Albert Street. I've got a topic today engifuna ke sikhulume ngayo. Let me correct my spelling. Ngikhuluma ngale topic kokugcina angeke uphinde ungizwe ngikhuluma ngayo. Angiyifuni ukuphinda into eyodwa ngoba ngizobe sengifocuse kakhulu kwinto zepolitics njengoba siya okhethweni ukuthi imayibuye izodla kanjani umhlanganiso MK izorojwa kanjani njengoba yarojwa ekuqaleni and then mapha ama measures ababekile this time ukuthi induku yabashaya kulokuyana engabashayi yonke lonto leyo we need to sikhulume sibe very serious according to the country ukuthi kwenzekani ku domestic politics. I've got a topic that says abahambe. Yes, topic about that says abahambe. We as South Africans, I still insist that we are most disliked, but we are not wanted as well. Abasthandi abangakafiki asebefikile abafuna ushare, they like us like we cannot believe. Have we heard about, I don't know if you know anything about the gentleman who used to rule, who's this guy who used to rule Nigeria? I think you were 5 years old, or you were about 5 years to be born, 1983, especially you were 2 years to be born, especially your sister. When you were 5 years to be born, but this is was 2 years. I was 2 years to be born. It was 2 years to be born. Not 2 years, it was 2 years to be born. That kind of two. Yeah, let's go back to the video. This is Babuto. 1983, in Nigeria, they had a president by the name of Alhaji Shehu Shagari. Let's talk about Shehu. Who was this gentleman? And why his name was called Alhaji? Was he Christian? Was he Rasta? Was a person like me, Babu Togotela? No, he was practicing Islam at an highest. He was so disciplined in Islam, in a sense that he ended up affording to go for Hajj, because not every Muslim can literally go for Hajj. Yeah, then this is the one that who performed Al-Haji. That is why his name, they used to call him now Al-Haji Shehu Shagari. During his time in Parliament, 1983, there were so many, I repeat, there were so many illegal immigrants in his country called Nigeria. They were actually owning a country, part of the country, because more than 2 million were forcibly asked to leave the country within 14 days. Like within 14 days. But by far, those immigrants who were flooding the country illegally were not speaking Swahili. Were not people from Congo DRC. Were not people from Tanzania. Were not people from Kenya. No. Majority by far were Ghanaians. And then we have to learn that Ghanaians are just becoming a parasite in the world. They just want to be worms in each and every stomach of the country. And then deny to leave the stomach of the country because they are there as parasites. They are worming the stomachs. They are upsetting the food that entered within the country because they like to be there illegally, and then they constate the fact that they want to remain wrong in a country that is sovereign, because every country, it is sovereign with its land laws. When you violate land laws, look at international law. Indeed, you are violating land laws. What about the international law? Don't you violate international law for entering the country, not applying for asylum, expiring your visa, overstaying in the country? That is not land law. Now you are violating international law. When a country like South Africa When a country like South Africa, having people who are coming 6,000, 7,000 kilometers away without applying for asylum, without having proper documents, those people, they are not just violating our law, but they've already violated international law because it is a worrisome. Maybe those people who are here, they are in the short list of Interpol, international police. They are wanted by the police in the international standard, but they are here. But now we as South Africa, not a government, South African as civilians, NGOs and other civil organizations, urging government to assist with logistics, to assist with buses, to assist these people to leave the country. And in countries like in Ghana, they are screaming loud as if we were wrong to do the right thing in our country. Because for them as well, they don't tolerate illegal immigrants from Burkina Faso. I heard that. They just don't tolerate illegal immigrants from foreign states, from Iraq, from Bangladesh. They don't tolerate them as well. They actually don't like them. They force them to leave as well. But when we apply same thing that they do in their country, they found us on the edge of being pinned, attacked, like these barbarian people in Congo DRC who attacked the truck driver. How many drivers from Congo who leave the airport, the seaport here? Many, more than one, more than 10. Not even one was even striked. Not even one was even stopped. Because the driver, he entered the border with proper papers. We are not fighting against immigrants. We were talking about illegal immigrants. Because we got so many truck drivers from the foreign countries. They've never been stopped in the border and said, no, go back, because you are carrying a passport, you are not a South African. No. But those barbaric people from Congo DRC, because it was not within the structures of the government, not just few barbaric people, they just don't understand it. Currently, they are looking for the police. Police are looking for them to arrest them because what they did, they committed a crime. They just committed a crime. Yeah. This is Babu Hotel. This is okay, talking about Al-Haji Shehu Shagari, he forced them. And the African Union was so silent. United Nations was so silent because he was doing what is correct in his country. That we cannot see happening in South Africa, whereby when we explain our story, we have to explain crying that we cannot bear anymore this illegal immigrants, especially from Ghana. I'm precise about Ghana, especially from Ghana. Ghanaians, please try to be in your country. It will help you. Mess up your country the way you messed up other countries as well. Just mess up your country because maybe it's beautiful to do that. Yeah, this is Babu Tabateba. This is what I'm leading. La, bantu bakithi, when I was in okushuthi nje uKFC lento yenza ngamabomu ngoba kafuna ukusitshela ukuthi why uma uzothenga $8 zakhe some shops like Harding kuKFC Harding when I was there buying kwathiwa no can't get buns uzothola stiff papa. How do I know that let's talk about side days ama buns muthenga chicken uKFC have to come up and stand out and tell us that if you have people coming bring your own buns. I was at Dutchwa as well. KFC at Dutchwa, they had no buns as well. They had stiff papa that is cooked by them. Probably the stiff papa, it is cooked by them. Ngeyiphi impuphu? Ngamapha amanzi. Ay, KFC nina safuna nesiphenduleni ukuthi le stiff papa esiphekwayo nicela omama lelalini ukuthi abazise stiff papa ngokukhawuleza zisana stiff papa. Because he bans us dice. KFC tell us what nenzani nge-stiff papa. Sikhona indlana kwi-menu yenu ukuthi you can't get this usuzothola stiff papa. Nizositshela nina kufuna nibe nisitshelile. This is Babu Dodo versus Watch. Yeah, la ngifuna ukuthi ke sikhulume. Ngifuna umuntu othi uno 12,000 rand. Ngifuna umuntu othi uno 12,000 rand aphinde abe nemali yokuthenga iqhude, aphinde abe nemali yokuthenga isikhukhukazi. Iqhude must be red in color. Isikhukhukazi must be any given color. It could be white, it could be red. But iqhude, I insist, akube iqhude elibovu. Akube iqhude elibovu. Leli qhude angifuni uyeyothenga iqhude elicheap ngoba uthi uxakekile. Lento engizokunika yona isebenza ngokuxakeka. Isebenza ukuthi iqhude ilona. Ngifuna iqhude leli elinento ekuthiwa imizwezwe. La enyaweni khona into ephuma eceleni futhi ekuthiwa imizwezwe. Ngifuna lelo qhude siliphuma imizwezwe. Elingena imizwezwe mina ngisathatha njengesikhukhukazi. Thatha njengesikhukhukazi lento le. Ngifuna ke ngikukhandele ke ibutho. Leli butho leli uma khuluma kwenzeke. Uma khuluma kwenzeke. Kodwa funa wazi ukuthi awunikwa isigubhu, awunikwa enye into, unikwa ibutho. Leli butho ke leli I repeat, what that I prefer ukuthi we buy chickens here in Durban, because in Cape Town hardly you can find ibutho elinjalo, iqhude elinjalo. People in Georgia, Naisna, I don't see them belithole lo qhude. That is why I urge people from Cape Town, East London, Rustenburg to drive here in Durban. Sifike sithengele inkukhu lezi. Kulezi nkukhu zombili ngifuna inyongo yeqhude, ngifuna inyongo yesikhukhukazi. Listen to me carefully, awulalele. Second but not last, ngifuna ikhanda lesikhukhukazi, ngifuna silipheke la nomuthi. Ikhanda leqhude funa silipheke la nomuthi. Lento uma usuyayidla la kuba udokotela. I repeat, lento uma usuyayidla la kuba udokotela, mase lebutho kuze uthi lisebenze kuwena, funa siligcabeke kuwena. Mase sikunika ke ozohamba nalo lihlale la kulento esikunike yona. Noma ngathiwa ukuphi ulisuke liconnect ngoba lisuke ligcatshwe kuwena, lisuke likhona ekhaya futhi. Leli butho leli uyalawula, uyayikhuluma ngalo, wenza yonke into oyifunayo. Ngifuna ukukunika lelo butho, kodwa a person othi babudokotela I can afford ukuthi la ngikhona ngilithola iqhude. Mase ngithi I don't want excuses, because inhlamba sezibaningi ukuthi umuntu umnika into kanti kunezinto angeke akwazi ukuzithola lapha yana. Mase ngasalithola abantu baseLimpopo kakhulu baba nenkinga ukuthola amaqhude, because angazi ukuthi kwenzekani eLimpopo. Listen to me, angazi ukuthi kwenzekani, why certain things cannot be found in Limpopo. Nginabantu abaningi ikakhulukazi nginenhlanhla yokulapha amantombazana lawa ngama lesbians. I don't know whether they're scared of chickens or they just can't find chickens in Limpopo. I've got so many lesbians in Tzaneen, Giyani, but when it comes to leli butho, they cannot get it. Now it forces them to come back again in Durban. Yonke into izokwenziwa la. Engisho ukuthi ngiyacela ke nina abantu ke abathi nize ama-scroll nize kuba budokotela nizofika nenziwe la, yonke into yenziwe la idlule futhi iphele. Idlule futhi iphele. Ngoba angifuni into ezosilibaza ishonse nelanga. Ngifuna ukuchaza futhi lo msebenzi wamaringi uyakhula. Lo msebenzi wamaringi uyakhula. Kuneringi ebengafuni ukukhuluma ngayo, but ngizokhuluma ngayo when the time is right, but not now. Gikhona iringi engikunika yona at the infancy level, very infancy level, it's 5,000 rand, it's okay. Kuzoba khona iringi that does things the way you want it, especially kubantu laba abakhomanda izinto ezinkulu, abafuna izinto ezinkulu. Lo ringi siyabanika ke ngo-12,000 rand. Uma useke wenza ke lo msebenzi ngendlela esizokutshela ngawo, wenze lo msebenzi ngendlela esizokutshela ngayo, bese kuba khona iringi that uma sizoyikhipha, we need you to buy imbuzi. If you can't get imbuzi, we buy igusha. What I mean you can't get imbuzi, kunabantu into zabo mebezenza bazenza ngembuzi, abayi mebezenza bazenza ngegusha. There are those people labo ke bazothatha iringi esigabeni sika 50,000 rand, but I'm not going to explain more about that. Kodwa engingakusho ukuthi lo ringi leyo uma usunikwa lo ringi akubi iringi yodwa, aba u3 lama ringi. wanikwa abo-3 uyayigqoka le ring babudoda? The answer is no. Wahenga lemqaleni omathathu for 7 days ekuwena. Swakhela intambo waholengiselana for 7 days ekuwena. Lo maringi lawo kushuthi uthathe eka 5000, uthathe ka 12000, uthathe ka 50000, wonke lo ma powers funa bekuwena. Bese siwafake kuwena ngembuzi, siwafake kuwena ngegusha. Yeah, understand? This is Babu Dotto, this is Babu Mfana Mthethekile Mzulu. Yeah, lama ringi lawo ke sizowakhipha umuntu methi Babu Dotto la nginayo imali engaka ngingakwazi ukwenza. Sikhiphe umadlozana wemali nge-1000 rand. Sikhiphe umadlozana wemali nge-1000 rand. No, it is beautiful. It is beautiful and ngikhulumile indaba kamadlozana. Umadlozana wakhiwe ngamakhambi wodwa, ihlahla nje kuphela. Kwase kwatholwa inyamazana ekuthiwa yigogo, sathola isikhumba salo. Sonke siphelele sasigqula sasifaka phakathi. Saphinde futhi kwatholakala isikhumba senhloli esiphelele, sagqula sonke safakwa phakathi. Sase salanda imkhando yenhlanhla. Thatha yonke imkhando yenhlanhla yafakwa phakathi. Lento bese sesikunika ayiphalazi. Ayiphalazi le nto lena. Awukwazi ukuthi unganika umuntu uthi akaphalaza ngento. Wena ukuthi umuthi awuwazi. Awukwazi ukuthi ungathatha umuthi ofakwe isikhumba senhloli. Selwazi uthi akaphalaze ngawo. The reason why isikhumba senhloli asinabo uboya, sinameva njengengukumbane. But tiny ones. Ungasho ukuthi ngukumbane engakho ekhubazekile engakwazanga ukukhula. Ngoba everything it has porcupines. Then you cannot tell a person to drink that. Aphinda iphalaza. It will never work. It will never work. Engisho ukuthi nawe ngikunika ke umadlozana wemali. Don't abuse it uthi uyaphalaza ngam. Secondly, unama chemicals because ufakwe imkhando synthetic from the herbs. Igama synthetic lisho ukuthi fake. Ngalo ndlela lo mkhando it comes with synthetic colors or dyes that may cause cancer in your esophageal emphinjeni wakho. Ngalo ndlela asithi mesininika imithi ivele phela lento ukuthi safika kancane esikoleni saphuma la ko grade 4 grade 5 grade 6 sahamba solusa inkomo, kodwa asingathathi into esazi kahle ukuthi it's not edible at all. Sithi wena phalaza ngayo, sithi enza ukuthi ngayo. Lo yamuthi ngikunika wona uzogeza ngawo kuphela, kodwa umuthi wakho wendlanhla. Umuthi wakho wendlanhla sikubiza njengoba sithi umadlozana wemali because it does that. Ayikho into ekhuluma ngokukhuluma indaba yemali kuphela. Then ake ngithi into ke leyetshe. Abantu bayibuza leyetshe ukuthi babudokotela sesilithola ilitshe likhona neliyonalo. Ahlukene verse. That ahlukene. That is not a problem. Ahlukene. Ngiyakunika leli lika 950 rand. Amatshe awu4. Hayi ukuthi itshe lot. Amatshe awu4. Leli bekukhiphela nje ka 950 rand, amatshe awu4 lawo. Leli ka 3000 rand itshe elodwa. Itshe elodwa alenzi okufanayo. Itshe nje elodwa alenzi okufanayo. Lela litsheke kuwena leliyana liyawuhlala u6 months before liphele. Ngoba siyakalela ukuthi uzolisebenzisa kanjani. Kodwa liya nokuncipha. Liya nokuncipha. Kodwa hamba igcine seliphelile nalo. Liya nokuncipha uyothi yabona khona alisekho. Seliphelile nalo. Engisho ukuthi ke lona ke lu 3000 rand. We cannot tolerate ukuthi kodwa kusuke kuyitshe lodwa la ku 950 rand usuka unikwani na, usuka unikwa amatshe awu4 ozolifundiswa ukuthi uzowasebenzisa kanjani. This is Babu Dotto, this is Babu Mfana Mthethekile Mzulu amancisi. Ezinye izinto wena wazithatha ngokugagamela nje. Nje kuthiwa mekuthiwa abantu abahamba ufuna umsebenzi ngoba kuthiwa sekunezikhala. Bekuyikhala zakho yini kanti? Bekwezakho nezikhala. Angichaze nje lento. Uyabona nje njengoba ungasebenzi. Njengamanje ungasebenzi. Yeka ungasawufuni umsebenzi. Lalela. Ngikhatha ama jokes esiphelile manje. Uma ungawuthola umsebenzi, njengamanje ungasebenzi, ungasawufuni umsebenzi because ufuna umsebenzi kudinga imali. Once wawuthola umsebenzi, uzoya ngani emsebenzini njengoba ungenayo imali? Uzoya ngani emsebenzini ngoba unayo imali ekhaya kusebenza umuntu? uma usuyile emsebenzini uzodlani lapha emsebenzini kuyadliwa yeah ngithi njengoba uhlele ekhaya qhubeka uhlale ekhaya because ukufuna umsebenzi kufuna imali abantu abasebenza abanemali ngalondlela uma ngekho nje umuntu ekhaya ozokunika imali angisho phela kuwena angisho kuwena kodwa ngithi uma ngekho nje umuntu ekhaya ozokunika imali yokuthi uyofuna umsebenzi akakunika imali kwamanje na kuhlele ekhaya ngoba phela uma ngithi uzokunika imali yokuyofuna umsebenzi uma usutholile uzophinda kunike yini okugibela ngoba phela uma usutholile akasakunika engisho into ezongisiza ngayo bhuti omdala wena razo futhi batshela ukuthi uthoba ubudokotela njengoba vese ngimi kanjena njengenanyuka angingasasebenzi vese ukusebenza kufuna imali emsebenzini kuyadliwa ngeke phela uthathe isikhathini sengane usidla no ukusebenza kufuna imali wena njengoba ungasebenzi ungasayihlupha ihlalele nje ekhaya ubatshela ukuthi awunayo imali yokusebenza ngoba emsebenzini kufuneka imali yokusebenza yeah this is babu Dr. Ilana ngifuna ukunisiza ngoba nina lokho kudlalwa ngane hayi ngihlalele ekhaya ubatshela ukuthi anginayo imali yokusebenza ngoba emsebenzini kufuna imali angithi uma ubuzo emsebenzini udinga imali emsebenzini uyohola imali emsebenzini uqale wena wayisebenza ungabisayi hlala phansi ungabisayi batshela ukuthi awunayo imali emsebenzini ngoba emsebenzini kudinga imali emsebenzini period. This is babu Dr. Goodbye, love you all.